Hey gang, say I got this towel here. It's just a small bathroom towel that I rolled up and I taped the ends, put a couple pieces of tape on the ends and one in the middle here. And I'm going to use this handy little home cheap piece of exercise equipment to help me do a posture exercise. And this exercise will not only help your alignment, get you in better posture, but also activate fascia strength. Let's take a look. All right, I got my towel. First thing I'm going to do before I start the exercise though is get myself in a pretty good alignment. Okay, I'm going to suspend my head. Think of taking the crown of the head and just suspending it gently so you straighten out maybe the back of your neck a little bit. Suspend your head to the ceiling or the sky, all right? Now off of that suspension, we got a down line where the shoulders relax down and you're relaxing your muscles down into your feet. You should feel your body weight in your feet while the head is suspended. So that's my up and down line creating a stretch on the fascia wetsuit. If I don't have that stretch, I go around kind of limpy, you know, in this saggy posture where there's no elasticity in my body, no fascia strength. So that's my up and down line, suspended head, relax down into your feet, shoulders down. Now I'm going to get the sidelines, okay, from left to right. I'm going to gently just internally spread my chest and my upper back. Not so tight that I got muscle contraction. Once I got muscle contraction, I no longer have fascia strength because I'm locked in that muscle tension, okay? So it's a gentle expansion, making your body wider from shoulder to shoulder by spreading the chest and the upper back, all right? This is where the towel comes in. I'm going to take this towel and I'm going to keep that left to right width in my upper back and chest, and I'm going to, as I hold the towel in my hands, I'm going to lift it up to this height right here. And if I keep that side to side sideline, upper back, upper chest spread, I will keep the towel taut. Now if I lose that width, I go ahead and look what happens to the towel. It loses its tautness. So I want to keep the towel taut as I raise and lower the towel. And I can just do these real slow. Train my nervous system to hold this position. When I got the up and down line with my posture and the sidelines, I call that the upper body cross. It's stretching the fascia wetsuit to give me my body's natural power. It's fascia strength. So as I do these, it looks, you know, like a very easy exercise. But really what I'm doing is I'm training my brain to hold this position with the wide chest and wide back, keeping the towel taut. Again, once I lose it, you'll lose the tautness. It comes limp, okay? The towel becomes limp. So you keep that, okay? Once you can get this, I'll give you a side view too. Head suspended, shoulders down. I can feel my body weight into my feet. Keeping the chest spread and the upper back spread, okay? So do some slow ones so you get that down, okay? You get that feeling down, and it should be a light stretch everywhere internally. Again, we don't want muscle tension to try to make our chest and back wide. It's gentle, all right? We want to be athletic. We need some relaxation mixed into that internal stretch so we can move freely. Once you get that down, we're going to battle test this. We're going to add velocity, all right? The training I do, I look at it this way. These exercises are your ticket to do what you really want to do in life, whether it be hiking, athletics, for me, martial arts. At my age, I'm in my 50s. If I don't train my body, my hobby of choice, martial arts, is probably too much load for my body. My body cannot typically create force and absorb force like it should to do a very dynamic thing like martial arts. So I do this training, so it gives me this ticket to ride so I can have fun with what I do and not get hurt and have higher performance. Okay, so we're going to battle test this by adding some velocity. All right, velocity meaning high velocity, as fast as I can do this. I'm going to get in that same position with a good posture, head up, relax down, wide chest, wide back, and I'm going to lift the towel as quick as I can and back down. Max velocity. If I can do max velocity and keep the towel taut, it tells me that I can bring duress to this movement, quickness, and still hold that posture, okay? And that's what I want. I want to be able to hold this great, I call it spring-loaded posture where my fascia strength is activated and not have to think about it. So if I train with max velocity, it gets me closer to that point where I don't have to think about this new posture I have, good alignment, fascia strength activated. It's just my new normal. Of course, we can add max load where we take heavy loads and use that to hammer it home in our nervous system. But for a lot of us, it's safer to go max velocity before max load. Challenge the nervous system with velocity before load. So that's this towel exercise. We're trying to get a spring-loaded posture, fascia activated, better alignment, and it's a great tool. Give it a try. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. If you have more interest in fascia strength, I'll leave the link down below where you can learn a little bit more.